In this video, we will answer the question, which currencies affect the revenues your company receives from shipments of action cameras and UAV drones across 4 geographic regions. We will explain it slowly, step by step, and show a clear diagram. First, let's picture the business setup. We have one company selling products to buyers in 4 regions. Each region pays in a local currency, and that local currency must be converted into the company's home currency. In this example, we will assume the home currency is US dollars. Now, let's draw a simple diagram. Now, let's interpret the diagram. Each region pays the company in its own local currency. Those local currencies must be converted into the home currency, US dollars. That means the revenue the company receives is affected by exchange rates. North America uses the US dollar, Europe, Africa uses the euro, Asia Pacific uses the Japanese yen, and Latin America uses the Brazilian real. So the answer is, the currencies involved in affecting revenue are the currencies of the regions where the buyers are located, plus the home currency. In our example, those key currencies are US dollars, euros, Japanese yen, and Brazilian reals. These exchange rates determine how much money the company actually receives when sales are converted back into US dollars. Let's make that idea concrete with a small calculation example. Suppose a buyer in Europe pays 1,000 euros for a shipment. To find the revenue in US dollars, we multiply by the exchange rate. Let's write the equation first. Now let's plug in numbers. If the exchange rate is $1.1 per euro, then 1,000 euros becomes 1,000 times $1.1, which equals $1,100. We'll show that step by step. Let's recap slowly. The company sells action cameras and UAV drones to 4 regions. Each region pays in a local currency. The currencies that affect revenue are the local buyer currencies plus the home currency where the company reports its results. In our example, those were US dollars, euros, Japanese yen, and Brazilian reals. If any of those exchange rates change, the US dollar revenue changes too. That is why these currencies are the ones that matter for revenue.